Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to match your hairstyle to your neckline. I'm going to walk you through 5 different necklines and the hairstyles that I love pairing with them, and of course I'll show you how to create each one. Now, a simple rule that I like to follow is the higher the neckline, the hair usually looks best if it's lifted up. And then more open necklines usually allow for more softness in the hairstyle, and then you just match the hairstyle to the vibe of the outfit. So if your top or dress is romantic, you want soft flowy waves. If maybe you're wearing something that's a bit sharper, then you can wear a more edgy hairstyle. And of course, all rules are meant to be broken, so just have fun. This is more of a guideline. And before we start styling, I want to thank Luxy Hair for sponsoring today's video. I've been wearing their seamless clip-ins for over a decade now. They are just my go-to when I want to add a little bit more fullness to my hair. And for most styles, you don't need a full set. Honestly, sometimes I just add a couple of pieces just to help the hairstyle look a little bit more full, especially for like half up and ponytails, because they only take a few seconds to clip in and they make such a difference. And throughout all of my color changes last year, they had a color to match. I mean, look at this. I feel like it's my hair, but better. But everything, including the extensions, will be linked in the description below, along with a discount code for you if you want to check them out. Let's start with a turtleneck or high neckline. A simple rule that I like to follow is the higher the neckline, the hair will usually look best pulled up, since the top is already framing your neck and shoulders. If we leave the hair down in front, sometimes it can look and feel crowded. So one of my favorite hairstyles is the claw clip French twist. You already know it by now. You loosely gather your hair into a low ponytail, wrap your ponytail up and over your pointer and middle fingers, twisting them once or twice as you bring them to the top of your head. Next, if your ends are long, tightly twist them, bring them up, tucking them underneath, and then secure with a claw clip. And these metal ones are my favorite. They hold all day long. And the extra fullness from the extensions just helps it hold its shape and keep any layers in place. But this creates such an elegant silhouette, and it helps keep the focus on the neckline. Next, we have a collared shirt or structured neckline. These styles can often feel more tailored and masculine, so I like to either balance it with soft hair down in front can kind of feel too busy, so just toss it behind your shoulders. It really opens everything up. Or a nice clean bun, which I prefer because it helps prevent tangles that can form from your hair rubbing on the collar, and we don't want any breakage. Since the bun will be sitting at temple height, you want to clip your extensions right at the crown, nothing lower. Next, take a mix of styling cream or hair oil. I also love to use a hair mask, and just work it all through your hair. Use a boar bristle brush to smooth everything back, secure into a tight ponytail, and apply a little more oil or mask through your lengths to smooth them, and then divide into 2 sections. And create any tight braid of your choice. I'm doing a rope braid, so you just twist the sections in the same direction and then wrap them around each other in the opposite direction all the way to the end, and then secure with an elastic. Then wrap your braid around the base, and if your braid's long like mine, just continue wrapping underneath itself. Pin your ends away first, and then add a few more French pins to lock it in place. And even just a couple extensions completely change how full the bun looks. But this keeps the hair off your face and it keeps your neckline nice and open. Next, we have a halter neckline. Now, halter necklines draw attention to your neck and shoulders, and they naturally have a very feminine feel. And because of that, hairstyles that are lifted and away tend to complement it really nicely. But like soft waves pulled to one side can look really beautiful too. Personally, when the shoulders and back are exposed, I just feel more comfortable with a little bit of hair down. But one of my favorite options here would have to be the French twist. So classic. And the best part, it's the same technique as the claw clip. So loosely gather your hair into a low ponytail, wrap your ponytail up and over your pointer and middle finger, twisting them once or twice as you bring them to the top of your head. Twist your ends and bring them up, tucking them underneath, and secure with a French pin, adding a few more pins along the twist if you need it. This creates a really timeless and elegant silhouette, keeps the hair up, the focus on your neck and shoulders, and helps prevent tangling. It just looks so clean and elegant. Next we have the boat neck neckline. Boat necklines are beautiful. They're one of my favorites, and I love how they just highlight the collarbone and shoulders. And they always give you that like Audrey Hepburn feel, and they remind me of like Meghan Markle's wedding dress, just elegant and timeless. Now, because they are so elegant, I like to opt for something more minimal. You could go so many different ways with the hair, but I thought a super simple ponytail would be best. Create a clean side part and add styling cream or a hair mask to help smooth the hair back. Brush everything back nice and smooth, and since this hairstyle is so minimal, you really want to take your time and make it nice and clean. Secure into a tight low ponytail, and then my favorite part, add a ponytail cuff to dress it up. Sometimes with ponytail cuffs, I'm like, what occasion am I gonna wear these? Honestly, wherever, whenever, just put them in your hair. They're so beautiful. And then this ponytail looks beautiful with that extra volume from the extensions. But I love it to have a nice, elegant hairstyle that does not compete with that beautiful neckline. Finally, we have the off-the-shoulder neckline. So these naturally highlight your collarbone, your shoulders, your neck. You can go so many different directions with this. I would say upstyles look beautiful for the evening, special occasions. But if it feels a little bare, try adding some earrings, especially like long, dangly ones, and it can really help soften the look. Personally, I feel the most comfortable with some hair down, so I love to pair off the shoulder with a half up, half down hairstyle. This is probably one of my most viral hairstyles. It's so easy. You start by placing your thumbs in front of your ears, trace upwards to the top of the crown, section off the top of your hair, smooth it back with your fingers for like a soft romantic finish, divide it in half so you have a left and a right, cross your right section over the left, bringing that left section up towards the top of your head, keeping everything tight. Grab your claw clip, open it nice and wide, and secure it right where the two sections cross. Flip your top ponytail down and gently fan it over the clip. This creates a really soft, romantic shape while still showing off your neckline. And those are the 5 hairstyles I love to pair with different necklines. Let me know which look was your favorite, and I would love to know your go-to combinations. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.